Hey there! Welcome to this quick and easy tutorial brought to you by the Space Properties, your trusted partner for the property searches and real estate solution. Today, we'll show you how to apply and download an Encumbrance Certificate. Open your browser and type Kaveri Online Services in the search bar. Click the official website from the search result. If you're a registered user, click on Login and enter your credentials. If you're not registered yet, watch our previous video where we have explained how to register step by step on the Kaveri Online Services website. Once registered, come back to this video and follow along from here. Once logged in, click on EC Applications and then click Start a new application. Now, click on Encumbrance Certificate, Online EC. Check the prerequisites carefully and click Continue. Now, select if you want to apply EC after 2004 or before 2004. Select your search type by property number or property name. Fill the required property details. Select property type. Select property number type and enter the present property number details. Now, fill the required boundary details and clearly enter the property description. Next, fill the required property measurements. Then, select the period of EC search and click Search. Now, verify the shown EC details. Once confirmed, check the last two boxes and proceed to payment. Verify the EC summary and click Make Payment. Read the payment instructions and click Continue. Select the preferred mode of payment and type of e-payment. Enter the captcha code and check the boxes and click Submit. Enter your payment details and complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, you will get a transaction receipt. Print or take a screenshot of the receipt for future references. Click Return to Application. Now, you can see your application in the EC Application tab. Click on e-Sign. Enter your Aadhaar details and verify via OTP or your preferred method. Once done, you will get a pop-up showing successful submission of the application. The approval process may take up to 3 working days. Once approved, you can see Download Signed EC in EC Application tab. Click on the link and your signed EC will be downloaded successfully. And that's it. You have successfully applied and downloaded the Encumbrance Certificate via Kaveri Online Services. For more expert property tips and solutions, check out the Space Properties, your go-to portal for all things real estate. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.